Hello, welcome to SI's online classes. Today I am present here with a new video, exercise 2.2. Last video I discussed exercise 2.1, all the exercise. Now exercise 2.2, addition but regrouping method. Here I have to go discuss regrouping ones, regrouping tens and regrouping twice, that is tens and one. Whenever you will decide regrouping of addition, subtraction, then or given you'll give question regrouping methods, then solve in this way. So let's see and start. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, add the following by regrouping 1, 10. Add the following by regrouping regrouping 1. Now see first of 1, A. 3, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7. 3, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7. Is that clear? Whenever regrouping ones, tens, twice, hundreds, so the regrouping method is going on stepwise. Whenever you will get 3 digits number, then step 3, 2 digits number, step 2, and 4 digits number, step 4, up to step 4. So here 3 digits number, so up to step 3. So first of 1, step 1. You will write step 1 top or button, no problem. Okay, step 1, first of 1, add only ones places and carry forward. Whenever get greater than 9, then carry forward tens places. Is that clear? So let's see, 8 and 7 is equals to 15. That is 15. Is that clear? So I or we did not write 15 at one's places, only one digit right in one places. So 15, this one places 5 and 1 carry forward, this side places, that one 10 places. So carry forward 1, this here. Okay. Now done step 1. Next one is step 2. We got from step 1, 3, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7, here 5 and there 1. So step 2. Now we get step 2. Step 2, tens all the number of addition, tens places. 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6. 5 and 1, 6. Here 6 less than 9. So less than 9. So only 6 is will write here. Done step 3. Now next step third. 3, 4, 8, 3, 1, 7. We got from step 1 and step 2 here 6 and 5. Now this is step 3. In step 3, add all the 100 places number. 3 and 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so step 3 already done. No more digits. So this is the last step of the method. So this one, the answer is 665, that is 665. Understood? This one the regrouping method. Whenever regrouping ones, then add ones places and get one extra or carry. This one regrouping ones, whenever tens places, then different method. Now next one is, you will take next one. 4 to 6, 5, 3, 8. C 4, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3, 8. Okay? 4 to 6 and 5, 3, 8. Now, stepwise. So, write here step 1 in this map in top. Okay, on top. So step 1 here, add ones places. Add ones places. So 8 and 6 is equals to 14. 4 and carry forward this 1. Okay. Now step 2. Step 2. 4 to 6, 5, 3, 8. We got from step 1 here 4 and 1, and step 2 add all the tens places. 5, 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 3, 6. Done. Now step 3. 4 to 6, 5, 3, 8. We got from step 1 and step 2. 6 and 4, here 6 and 4, and step 3, in step 3 add 100 places. 4 and 5 is equals to 9. So the answer is 964, 964. I hope you will understood regrouping ones. No, now hope you will solve remaining part of A1 in your house in this same way. Now next one is add the following by regrouping tens. Add the following by regrouping tens. That means number 2. Same as regrouping tens. Same as whenever they are here, carry in addition after tens places. After tens places. After tens places. Ones places carry forward tens place, and tens places carry forward 100 places. Now take an example. B 372 146, 372 1 4 and 6 plus. Okay, 372 146. Step 1 same as step 1. First step 1, add all ones places number 2 and 6, 8. Now done. Step 2, 3, 7, 2 and 1, 4, 6. We got from step 1 here 8. Now 7 and 4 is equals to 11. So 11, this means 1 and carrying forward 100 places. In tens place, in ones places carry forward tens place, and 100 places tens place. In tens then carry forward 100 places. That in this the difference. In that difference, whenever tens ones places carry forward tens places, whenever regrouping tens then carry forward 100 places. That is the regrouping of that number and carry forward the side places or more digits or next digits. Is that clear? So next one is step 3. 3, 7, 2, 1, 4, 6. We got from first one and first and second step here 8 and here 1 and there 1. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. So step 3, in step 3 all add all 100 places number. Done? So I hope understood. Now next one is C. 230 694 694 230 and 694. In step 1, step 1 add all the ones places number. So 0 and 4 is equals to 4. Now done. And next one is step 2. Step 2, 2, 3, 0 and 6, 9, 4. We got from first step 4. Now step 2. Step 2, in step 2 add all tens places number. 3 and 9 is equals to 12. So 12 and 1 carry forward 1 here. That means 100 places. Now next step, step 3. Step 3, 2, 3, 0 and 6, 9, 4. We got from step 1 and step 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 2 and here 1. In step 3, all add all the 100 places number. So 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 6, 9. So the answer is 924. I hope you understood the following regrouping by regrouping tens, and do your exercise of the remaining problems in this way in your house. Now next one, twice regrouping by tens and ones and tens, that is twice. Number 3, add the following by regrouping ones and tens. Ones and tens. This one 3. Now taken 7 line A 246 396 A 246 396. Now first of one step 1. Okay, in this way by regrouping ones and tens, here add ones places, then get greater than 9 and carry forward tens places, and step 2 or next step add tens places, then also get greater than 9 or 2 digits number to carry forward 100 places. In this is the difference between each group of addition or each regrouping method. So now solve it. In step 1, add the ones places. 6 and 6 is equals to 12 and write that 2 and carry forward that one. Okay. Now step 2. Now step 2, 246 and 396. We got from step 1 here 2 and there 1. In step 2, add all the tens places number. 4 and 1 5, 5 1 9, 9 14. 14 4, write here 4 and carry forward this one. Is that clear? Thus, so that first of all carry add ones places, then carry forward tens places, and also add tens places and carry forward 100 places. This one by the using of ones and tens, that is twice. Now step 3. Step 3, here 246 and 396. We got from first step and second step. First step 2 and second step 6. Sorry, second step 4 and there 1. 2 and 1 in step 3. Add all 100 places number. So 3, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6. 3 and 3 is equals to 6. So 642. So 642. Understood? The grouping of ones and tens. Now next example. Six 48 and 192. C. 648 and 192. Same as step 1, add ones places. 8 and 2 10. 10 right here 0 and carry forward 1, then tens places. And step 2, 6 4 8 and 192. We got from step 1 here 0 and there 1. Here 0, there 1. And in step 2, add all the tens places number. So 4 and 5, 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 14. 14, write 4 and carry forward once 1, then 100 places. Now next step, step 3, 6 48 and 192. And same as we got from first step and second step. First step 0 and second step 4 here and there 1. So add 1 in step 3. Add all the 100 places number. So add 1 and 6, 7, 7 and 1, 8. So the answer is 840. Understood? Yes, I hope you will understood and do your exercise in this way or that way in your house. Please like, share this video with your friends. If still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more new notification. Thanks for watching video.